Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Ayla.
And I'm Jack. We're very happy you're here with us today.
Yes, thank you for listening. Today, we're talking about something many of you really want: how to learn English faster.
How to make your English learning easier, more fun, and more effective.
And not stressful.
Yes, very important. We want you to enjoy the process.
By the end of today, you'll have clear ideas you can start using today.
Even if your level is A2 or B1.
And even if you feel a little shy about speaking.
That's totally okay. We're here to help. So Ayla, let me ask you something. When you were learning another language, what was the hardest part for you?
Oh, speaking, 100%.
Same here.
I was always afraid of making mistakes.
Me too.
And because of that, I waited too long before I spoke.
And that actually makes learning slower.
Exactly. That's one of the biggest problems for English learners.
Yes, they study a lot, but they don't practice speaking enough.
And then they say, why is my English not improving?
I've heard that so many times.
Me too.
Let's warm up a little. Ayla, do you remember your first real conversation in English?
Oh, yes. I was so nervous.
What happened?
I was ordering coffee in a small cafe.
A classic situation.
I practiced the sentence in my head 10 times.
And then?
When it was my turn, I forgot half of it.
Oh, no.
I said something like, I want coffee big and milk and hot.
But you got your coffee.
Yes, the man smiled and gave me my coffee.
So it worked.
It worked, even with mistakes.
That's an important lesson.
Very important. Communication is more important than perfect grammar.
Today we're going to talk about how you can learn English faster by changing a few simple habits.
Yes, small changes, big results.
And we'll use very real situations.
Things you do every day.
Exactly.
Let's start with something very basic but very powerful.
Okay, I'm listening.
Use English every day.
Every day?
Yes, every single day.
Even for 5 minutes?
Especially if it's only 5 minutes.
Why especially 5 minutes?
Because 5 minutes feels easy.
True.
You don't feel tired or afraid.
You think, I can do 5 minutes.
And then tomorrow you do it again.
And again.
And after a month, your brain is used to English.
That's how habits work.
Exactly.
So what can learners do in those 5 minutes?
Many things. They can listen to a short video.
Or read a few sentences.
Or speak to themselves.
I do that sometimes.
Me too.
People might think I'm crazy.
But your English improves.
That's the important part.
Another very important idea is input.
Input means what you hear and read in English.
Yes, your brain needs a lot of English.
Like food.
Exactly. Your brain eats English.
I like that idea.
So give it good food.
Movies, podcasts, simple articles.
Things you enjoy.
Not only textbooks.
Yes, textbooks are okay.
But real English is better.
Because that's what you use in life.
Let's imagine a learner named Sarah.
Okay.
Sarah studies grammar every day for 1 hour.
That's good.
But she never listens to real English.
That's a problem.
Her grammar is strong, but her listening is weak.
And her speaking is weak too.
Exactly.
Now imagine another learner, Tom.
What does Tom do?
Tom listens to English videos every day.
Even short ones.
He reads small stories.
And he speaks even with mistakes.
After a few months, Tom's English sounds more natural.
Even if his grammar is not perfect.
Yes, that's real learning.
That's a big secret.
Yes, perfect grammar is not the goal.
Communication is the goal.
If people understand you, you're winning.
Exactly.
Another thing that helps a lot is repeating.
Repeating?
Yes, hearing the same words many times.
Some learners think it's boring.
But your brain loves it.
It feels safe.
And it learns faster.
That's why children watch the same cartoon again and again.
And again.
And again.
And again.
And they learn language so fast.
Let's talk about speaking.
Yes, the scary part.
The scary but powerful part.
Many learners wait too long to speak.
They say, when my English is better, I will speak.
But their English doesn't get better because they don't speak.
It's a circle.
A bad circle.
So what should they do?
Speak now,
Even with mistakes?
especially with mistakes.
Why especially?
Because mistakes teach you.
Your brain notices them.
And next time, you do better.
That's how learning works. Let's imagine you're at a store.
Okay.
You want to buy bread.
I'm hungry already.
You say, I want 1 breads.
The seller understands you.
Maybe they smile.
Maybe they say, 1 bread?
You hear the correct form.
Your brain learns.
Next time you say 1 bread.
That's real learning. Now, let's talk about something very important.
Motivation.
Yes, without motivation, nothing works.
True.
How can learners stay motivated?
They need a clear reason.
Like travel,
Or work.
or making new friends.
Or watching movies without subtitles.
That's my dream.
Mine too.
When learning feels hard, remember your reason.
And be kind to yourself.
Yes, don't say, my English is terrible.
Say, my English is improving.
That small change helps a lot.
Now, let's move into some real-life listening and speaking examples.
Yes, this is where it becomes very clear.
Imagine you meet someone new.
You want to start a conversation.
You say, Hi, I'm Ayla. Nice to meet you.
They say, Hi, I'm Jack.
You say, Where are you from?
Simple
Very useful.
and very common. Let's imagine another situation.
You're at work.
Your computer is slow.
You tell your coworker, My computer is very slow today.
They say, Mine too.
You laugh together.
That's communication.
Not perfect grammar, just real life. Or imagine you're ordering food.
A very important life skill.
You say, Can I have the chicken, please?
The waiter says, Sure.
You say, Thank you.
That's it.
Simple and powerful.
Now, let's go back to some important words we used today.
Yes, let's talk about them naturally.
We said habit,
A habit is something you do again and again.
like brushing your teeth.
Or studying English every day.
Good habit.
We also said input.
Input is the English you hear and read.
Movies, songs, conversations.
Your brain needs it.
We talked about mistakes.
Mistakes are not bad.
They are teachers.
Very good teachers.
We said motivation.
That's your reason to learn,
The thing that makes you continue.
even when it's hard.
And we use the word communication.
Communication means sharing ideas and feelings.
It's the real goal of language.
Now it's time for the question of the day.
Yes, here it is.
What is one small thing you will do this week to improve your English?
This question helps you take action.
And action is how you learn faster.
For example, you can say, I will watch 1 English video every day.
Or you can say, I will speak English with my friend on Friday.
Simple, clear, and powerful.
Before we finish, let's quickly recap.
Use English every day.
Listen and read a lot.
Speak even with mistakes.
Repeat and review.
Stay motivated.
And enjoy the journey.
We're very proud of you for learning English.
Yes, every step matters.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
Please leave a comment and answer the question of the day.
And come back next time for more English.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.